You know, these days phones are basically part of us. The first thing which entertain us is our phones. There are devices which can do pretty much anything. Check out these tips and tricks. This will help your phone stay long by your side. Tip number 1. Get rid of old apps. Go to Apps Inventory. If you notice you are not using app anymore, uninstall it. This will free up some space and your phone will work faster. Tip number 2. If you are in an area with low reception, turn on airplane mode. Your phone uses battery to search for reception. It almost drains your battery to zero. Your phone will search for itself, even if you are not using any apps. This will seriously drain your phone battery. Turn on airplane mode if you are going to an area with low reception. Tip number 3. Use the black wallpapers. Black wallpaper make your phone battery last longer. If your phone is dark, don't need to work for bright. Also, don't use live wallpapers. It will drain your battery fast. Tip number 4. Use low power mode. Turning on this feature will charge your phone faster than before. But also know that apps might run slower and emails or other running apps in background may stop or run slower. Tip number 5. Staying at 100% all the time is not good for your phone. If you are charging after 100%, then your phone starts draining. Your phone contains lithium-ion battery. It works better in 30 to 50%. Full charge on phone makes you happier, but this will affect your phone badly. Tip number 6. Don't charge your phone overnight. Phone charges more time than usual while charging overnight. Full charge in morning will make you happier, but your phone's charge will drain faster. Tip number 7. Avoid charging phone on your bed. Your phone is a fire hazard. When your phone charges for overtime, the temperature rises and phone will explode. Improper plug-in will make spark and burn you with your bed. Tip number 8. What is the best way to charge your phone? Don't drain your phone completely to zero before charging. Always plug in your charger when your phone's charge is below 30%. The best working of your phone is at 30% to 50% of your battery. If you are a traveler, use a wireless charging pad. Smartphone works better this way. Tip number 9. Leave your phone while charging. The hardest advice to follow may be leaving your phone while charging. If you are using your phone while charging, it will not charge fast and also drain fast. Tip number 10. Phones don't like extreme temperature. Your phone might not be super cold or super hot. It must work in a mild temperature. It is not a good idea to leave your phone in your car or in an open area. This increases the temperature of your phone as per the temperature outside. Tip for traveler. Turn off your phone's location while traveling. Don't turn on the location while traveling. This will drain your battery while on a ride and it will make you sad. Lot of apps will ask for your location. This will help others to know your location without your permission. If you like this video and want to see more videos, please subscribe to my channel.